If you want to know how to promote affiliate links on social media in 2019, this is the video for you. And you want to stick around and watch this until the very end because I am going to show you exactly how to do that with ClickMagick, a tutorial on the cloaking feature. So what's up, guys? My name is Kirshana Sykes. I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. And if you want videos on how to make money online and using tools to help you in your online business, this is definitely the channel for you. Hit the subscribe button, also hit the bell notification button so every single time I upload a video, then you'll be notified. Now, before diving into the steps that it takes to cloak your affiliate link so you can use it on social media, I want to explain what cloaking is and why you need it. Well, first of all, on social media, a lot of times your affiliate links are not allowed on social media, especially if you are sending it through Messenger and it doesn't have anything to do with paid advertising. So you want to make sure that the links that you send through social media are clickable and are also allowed. So the first thing I would say is make sure that you read the rules and regulations of each social media website that you're going to be using your affiliate links on to confirm that it's okay. Number two, no one likes spamming, so regardless of whether you cloak a link or not, if you're just spamming, then you're going to have an issue 9 times out of 10. So we want to make sure that our links are allowed on social media. So that's why we cloak. And cloaking simply is replacing one URL with another. Whatever you're promoting, the affiliate link generally is long and very ugly, right? So you want the link to be short, easy to click on, and you also want to brand yourself as well. You're able to do this with ClickMagick, and the first step is to create a custom domain. Now, if you look above, I have already created a past video of mine on how to create a custom domain. So you can click on that video after you're done with this one. It'll show you exactly how to do that. The one thing I want to add is that you want to make sure that you enable cloaking on your custom domain when you are attaching it to ClickMagick. Now it's time for us to cloak our affiliate link. So we're now in ClickMagick. You should have already completed step number 1, which is to create a custom domain. Number 2 was to connect that custom domain to ClickMagick. So I'm going to use a test link. I'm going to click on this here, and I have a lot of this filled out already. But if you take a look at tracking link, you want to make sure you select the appropriate custom domain you want to use. Whatever you're promoting, you want it to be here, okay? So that it's congruent with your offer, because this is going to be the back end of your link. Your custom domain is going to be the first part. It's going to look just like this. And then / whatever you're promoting. So you want it to match up so you'll know what product you're promoting just by looking at the link. Now, what you want to do next is you want to click on Cloak link. And if this is not visible to you, all you need to do is click on Show Advanced Settings. It should show it. But you want Cloak link to be enabled. Now notice when I click on that, page title, page description, page image URL comes up, okay? So what you want to do is if you have a URL, like a image you want to use, the URL should go here. You also want to enter in your page description and then your page title. You enter all of that information in. You have the link to your affiliate here. We're going to replace this ugly link right here to this nice branded URL, and it's going to mask or replace the affiliate link, which is what you want so that you can use this link on social media. So click Save Changes, and when you click Save Changes, this is your link that you are going to use, and it's going to take whoever clicks on it to your affiliate link. But again, you're masking it, so you'll now be able to use it on social media websites instead of using the raw affiliate link and being rejected. So the resources that I used in this video, ClickMagick, the link is going to be down below. There's also some other online marketing tools that you can use in your online business, as well as a way for you to make passive income. That link is the first link in the description. So now you know how to promote your affiliate links on social media in 2019 by using the ClickMagick Cloaking feature. Really simple, easy to do. It will not only allow for your affiliate links, in most cases, to be used on social media, but it also allows you to brand yourself. Now, I will caution you against spamming. That can cause for your custom domain to be backlisted. If it's backlisted, then you can't use your custom domain anymore. You'll have to purchase a new one. Otherwise, this is something that's very helpful for you, and you can get rid of that ugly long affiliate link. So guys, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. Make sure you share it out to all of your online marketer, home business owner friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the bell notification button, because whenever I upload a video, then you'll be notified first and you'll be able to view it. I'll see you guys on the next video.